This is day 5 of our 8 days of safety. The worst possible thing have happened in your workplace. You had an injury. One of your employees got injured and ended up in hospital. The following will happen. An incident investigation will concede. The people will come out, take photos, interview people to find out what happened, to identify the root cause. The reason for that is so that we can prevent injuries in future happening. Just remember, our benchmark is reasonable person. A reasonable person is what have you tried to do to prevent this injury from happening. It doesn't mean that you need to be foolproof, because even good parents, children gets injured. It's about traceability of what you have done in the past. That's why it is so extremely important that you must do what we have said in day 1, 2, 3, and 4. That you've done your inspections, that you have done your safety meetings, and that you have done all your corrections on your meetings. Guys, that is how you prove reasonable person. If you haven't got traceability and you can only say, I have told him so, then gross negligence is proved and you are guilty. If you need more assistance of how to protect management in the workplace, be in contact, because it's actually very easy.